Hi there. In this video we'll take a look at how we can organize some of our pages and tabs as well as search all open notebooks. So what I'm going to do, if my width is truncated, let me just drag this so you can see what's going on. So we have a couple of items that could be put into subcategories. So what I'm going to do is create a new tab group and then add these as sections within that group. So if I just right click on any of the tabs and I choose new section group, and I'll call this transportation. Press enter. We just drag this a little wider so you can see what's going on. There we go. So now we have this section group. We took a quick look at this before, called transportation, and I want to move air travel and rental cars into transportation. So if you right click air travel, you can choose move or copy, and I'm going to put it inside of transportation. And I'll move. So to get back to the main section, if I just click on my green arrow, we see that air travel is no longer there. We can also simply just drag a section into the section group. So if I just drag that right in there, which is a little bit more straightforward. And now if I look at transportation, I have air travel and rental cars. To go back to the main section, I just click on my little back arrow. Now I'm going to pop back into transportation here. I'm going to look at rental cars. Notice we have rental companies, which serves as a landing page for rental cars. And then we have these 3 countries. I want those all to be sub-pages of rental companies. So what you can do is just click and drag that slightly. There we go. And now it's a sub-page of rental companies. Or you can right-click and make sub-page, whatever you prefer to do. Now what happens when I mouse over rental companies, I get a little drop-down arrow so I can show and reveal all of the sub-pages. So that really makes the layout of our notebook very compact. The section group as well as the subpages. Now we have the search field. This is always available. I'm going to look for summer. So if I type in summer, it opens Parker family trip. And notice it gives me a little path there which points to this present notebook. If I click on that, it brings me to that highlighted text, the text I searched for. Now, if I open up another notebook, I'll look in organizing and searching, leaps and bounds. And now if I search for summer, notice I get more results. So this search will search through all open notebooks. So there's the Parker family trip we saw before, and special deals and promotions, and that's actually a document link. So that's organizing using section groups and subpages, as well as searching. Thanks so much for watching.